Earning online has been a confusing topic for money. Since people think they would need to go to complicated sites and have to figure out their own, they do not enter the online industry. What if I say that you can earn more than $150 in the comfort of your home from Google? Yes, you don't need any kind of investment and can earn a good amount from Google. Sounds amazing, right? The best thing about this opportunity is that you can earn from any part of the world and from various payment methods. It is a very easy method and does not require much time. Now, you must be excited to know this strategy. Don't worry, because I will be explaining every step in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end, so you can know how to make dollars online just from Google without any experience and registration fee. Before we begin the video, I would request you all subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post a video so you can learn more tricks and tips on earning money. The first thing you have to do is go to the website shrink.io. Below, it says they pay $220 per 10,000 views. Now to prove that this website is real and actually pays well, there is a payment proof section on the right. You just have to click on it, which will take you to this page. Here you can see that people are making hundreds of dollars on this website and being paid to people every second and minute. I know many countries have different payment methods. Some may have PayPal, but some don't, so you don't have to worry about this. This website can pay you through various payment methods, including a bank transfer, Payoneer, Payza, PayPal, Paytm, and etc. So now you have to create an account. Click on register and fill in the credentials, including username and password. After that, your account will be created. Let me tell you something special. When you register, you will also receive $1 as a bonus. Isn't it great? Now let me tell you the next step, how to earn money. In this step, you must go to YouTube and select a specific type of video. Now, you have to type in weight loss videos and then click on this button called filter. Choose videos from this week that are top performing concerning the most number of likes and comments. As you can see, this video is one of the top performing videos with the most number of views in the last 2 days. So what are you going to do? You will copy its link as a whole and paste it on shrinkme.io to shorten it. Once it is shortened, save it, because it will be needed for later use. Now you must be wondering what you have to do with this link. Stay patient as I will explain everything. How you can earn money is that whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, you will earn dollars. You have to repeat this procedure at least 3 times. Go to YouTube, click on filter, choose this week and open a video, whichever has the most number of likes and views. Copy its URL and paste it onto shrinkme.io. You will get a unique shortened link. You will have 3 shortened links when you did this process 3 times. You might think it is unethical to steal people's URL link and use it for your own benefit. Well, your concern is valid, but it is wrong. The video creators will be very happy if you copy the video link and post it on different platforms. At the end of the day, they are going to get benefits from it, because you are not stealing their content. You're just directing people to go to their videos and watch them, so they will be making money out of it. In the third step, you have to paste this link on different forums. You might be wondering where do we find the forums for this link, so do not worry about that, because I have got you covered. I will show you where to paste this link and give you a golden tip at the end. Go to shrinkme.io and click on the payment proof. You will see that there are different payment rates for viewers of the link for different countries. For example, if people from Greenland click on your link, you will be paid the highest amount of money. If people from the US will click on this link, you will earn $7. But contrary to that, you will not be paid much if people from other countries click on your link. Greenland will give you $22 per 10,000 clicks. Now you must be thinking, why is it important for us? It is because our target will be the people of Greenland, Ireland, and the US. Now, you have to visit google.com and type in weight loss forums. You will find a ton of forums that offer to help all of those people who are trying to lose weight. Then, we have to use a secret trick. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, please give it a big thumbs up as it will help us a lot and give us the confidence to make more videos like this. The secret trick will let you guys know how to attract more and more followers from Greenland, Ireland, and the US. Now, when you go to Google and type weight loss forums, then you have to go to settings. From that, you will find an option of advanced settings and click filter. It will ask for a region, so we need to select Greenland to get search results for that country. After that, we will see many forums, which all would be of Greenland. Now, you have to do what? But the thing is that Greenland forums could be very limited. So you can do as an alternative, select the regions of Ireland or even the United States, so you can get paid relatively higher than all other countries except Greenland, of course. You will get search results from so many forums based on Greenland. Then you have to click on one of the forums, just like this one. Click on register and fill out the information which is asked. Here, I will advise you one thing. It would be better if you could create an account with a fake name. After filling out the required information, you have to share those 3 links in this forum. This will make people from Greenland click on your link and they will watch those videos. This is the secret trick I shared with you guys so you can make money online without working on jobs. If 7 people watch these videos from Greenland, you could easily make $150. You don't have to put much effort as all this process is done from Google. Try registering on as many forums as possible and paste these links everywhere to get enough people to watch these videos. Since forums have heavy traffic, you can easily make people watch your videos. You might be confused that it could be illegal, but it is not so, because all you're doing is copying a YouTube video and pasting it on other websites for people to benefit from it. The credit will also go to the person who made the YouTube video and the money. This is not the only way to get people on your links. You can copy this link, shorten it, and paste it anywhere on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or any other blog you have. The main thing is that as much people will watch these videos, you will earn money. Thanks for watching. I want to give you guys more tips and tricks with you. For that, you have to make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post a video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, and I will be back with another video soon. Until then, bye!